Animal Blocks just had its brand new cosmetic update. This update has new cosmetics and changes a lot of the cosmetics from their old smooth form to the new blocky form, like the other cosmetics that they had, to make everything. You can see, I'm gonna give you a nice little leak on a rare avatar. Boom! So if you are a tier 2 content creator, which is silver, 5,000 views, you'll get this and can scare people. Panda. And then, oh crap, I got clothes. So the way that this works, now I have a purple shirt with the light blue, which I don't really mind. We can actually reset now, but I'm gonna go show you some more, and then we're gonna go do some crown stuff. So as you can see behind me, we have, I don't own this because I'm not spending 20. And we have the disco monkey, the fox, which is insanely cool. I enjoy it a lot. The horror, which has been here, and the Easter bunny. This one's never gonna come back, so I wish it's just getting this one over any other one. As you can see behind me, all those skins got revamped. Let me show you. So the red panda used to be smooth and stuff, is now very cool. The cave people. We have the reptilian, which is a lizard, which is awesome. The pandy, which is, if you're not a tester, this is the closest thing to tester you can get if you really, really want it. Moderator applications are coming soon in the Discord, as you can see in the Ebby Debby Do video that just came out. So after you're done with this, go watch that one. They're coming out tomorrow, May 2nd, 2025. A new skin right here, the zombie. It's not new, but it's the revamp from a different one. And then you already know Katina, the frog, Goop. There's actually a YouTuber that's named Goop. I'm going to put them right there. Shout out to them. And like I said, we're going to have to use some third-person recording and a montage of me in the crown mode with other people. Also, fan code ICEEY. I'll put it on the screen. Feel free to meet me. I join every single day. Just here to hang out with you, and I record too.